Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G52. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap Get Started. From the homepage of Google Pay, you'll be able to add payment method and different types of cards. Also, you can manage all of your cards added before. Then, from the menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, and your activity. Next, you can go to Settings, and from here you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got Contactless Setup, where you can turn on NFC, set payment method, check if NFC is on, check if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and in the end access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.